Some businesses and banks in the cities also belong to foreigners. Evidently, these are the remnants of recent colonial rule, which lasted so long in Somalia. In the 17th century, Portugal was the first European country that forced its way into the Somalia Peninsula and remained there. She was replaced by Arab aggressors from Zanzibar. This is the former Sultan's Palace, which has been turned into a museum. The Arabs brought the Muslim religion to Somalia. In the 19th century, Somalia was conquered again and divided among the British, French, and Italians. Some immediately resorted to force. At a festive ceremony, the country's assembly ratified the democratic basis of the country and elected Adnan Abdullah Osman as president. This was the beginning of the country's new history, in taking up responsibility for their fate. In Mogadishu, an exhibition has opened of models and projects which will be built with Soviet help in the near future. Among the first visitors are members of the Somali government and the Soviet ambassador Gennady Fomin. This hospital was presented to the Somali people without remuneration. This is what the meat packing plant will be like in the south of the country, where the savanna reaches the ocean. The chief construction engineer, Viktor Kislenko, came here from the Ukraine. At the other end of the country, in Mogadishu, the Minister of Economy, Ibrahim Ford, is laying the cornerstone of the dairy plant. Shape, and another one like it in the south at Wajid. Not long ago, they knew about hospitals only from hearsay. It's not easy to make the transition from the mattock to modern technical equipment, but they try to learn. Unfortunately, there are still few professional technical schools in the country. However, specialists from friendly, highly developed countries come to their aid. In spite of the help from abroad, it is insufficient when taking into consideration the rapid rate of industrial development. Somalia is making up for lost time. The youth are taking up professions that yesterday were still unknown. Future sailors. So far, Somalia doesn't have a fleet of any kind. But since the crew is being prepared, that means there will be.
man maalka lahayga dhaxle daara harti xaqayga lahay dhigaye laydibi baye sowmaa soo dhicine